A story of pain, a story of resilience, a story of triumph, a story of one Mercy Wairimu Kahigu.
I have been taking Ventorin, inhalers, Frano, hydrocortisone.
Faced with asthma from an early age, she was later diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis at the age of 25, which prompted her to look for cure in numerous hospitals, but it was all
I
in
moved
vain.
from different hospitals in Kiambu, Thika Level 5, Gatodo, Karimoni Hospital, Kikuyu Hospital, Vero, St. Peter's, but the condition did not change.
Fortunately, things took a turn for the worst.
It came a time I could not walk. I desired to not be alive again.
But with every dark cloud, there is a silver lining.
Dr. Hamisi Kote, I say thank you to this man. This is man of God. People are called to minister, but what I know, this man is called to minister and to serve the society.
Join us as we talk about the journey to wellness for Mercy Wairimu Kahigu, the living testament, her struggles with different drugs, her endless visits to countless hospitals, her challenges with family and friends, but most of all, her triumphant discovery of the human garage and her 12 weeks to wellness story. Don't you dare miss out.
My name is Mercy Kahigu, the living testimony.
Good afternoon, good people. So today we have such an inspiring story that when I first heard it, I couldn't believe it until I saw the photos. But let me not spoil the introduction. I want her to introduce herself, to tell us who she is, how she knew the human garage, and basically her medical story. Her journey is full of miracles. And if you don't believe in miracles, I bet after this video, you'll be one for them. You'll be in the train. Karibu sana.
Asante.
Habari yako?
Nzuri.
Uko salama?
Kabisa.
Tafadhali introduce kwa viewers wetu.
My name is Mercy Kahigu, and stroke the living testimony. From Kiambu, Gatodo North. I'm here in the human garage. I heard the story about the human garage through one of my friends. And I came here when I had already given up. I had lost hope. I was admiring not to be in this planet Earth. But God is God of another chance. I'm here to testify that God is very merciful and God gave me destiny helper, and here I am today. I want to testify there is miracles. God still work in miracles.
Great. So, kwanza tuanze na, how old are you?
I'm 37 years old.
You are 37 years old?
Yes.
Oh, nice. So, ni shida gani ulikuwa nayo ndo ukakuja the human garage?
Okay.
Hii shida ilikuwa gani?
Ilikuwa gani? Okay. First, must say I was born asthmatic. My mother used to tell me that I was discovered asthmatic 1 year and 4 months. That is when I was discovered asthmatic. So the whole of the journey from when I was still young, I was under medication day and day. I have been taking drugs since I was young. And I have been injected different drugs. Adrenaline, aminophrine, hydrocortisone. I have been taking Ventorin, inhalers, Frano, and it became a time then I was using what we call nebulizer.
Yes.
And when I was about 25 years old, I was having 2 kids, and to make the matter worse, I was breastfeeding my second born. I was discovered then I'm having rheumatoid arthritis. And from there, the journey started, and it was not very easy. The journey worsened and worsened. Condition worsened and worsened. I moved from different hospitals in Kiambu, Thika Level 5. All those know me well. Gatodo, and Karimoni Hospital, Kikuyu Hospital, Vero, St. Peter's, and different privates. But the condition did not change. And when I was still under medication, I was seeing different doctors in different levels, the condition still worsened. I take the drugs, and it came a time, the year 2019, the drugs started like it does not work in my body. And the doctor said I have to be under Diprofos. And it is a certain steroid,
Yes.
which helped me for a short period.
Yes.
And it became a time, the year 2021, the condition could not even hear the Diprofos. I was to use Diprofos 3 times per year, and it came a time I'm using Diprofos 4 times, which is bad. It came a time I used it every month. It came a time it came to 3 weeks.
What?
So the condition is worsening.
True.
It came a time it is now 2 weeks. Then it cannot work. Diclofenac, I used them as painkillers. I was injected. Even it cannot work. Even if the doctor use the high dose,
Yes.
they cannot work. And the year 2022, the medication, the same rheumatoid and asthma. It came a time I could not walk. I stayed in bed the year 2022 until the month of July, when it came a time I desired to be not be alive again. The life was very difficult. The body got inflammation. I turned to anemia. I could not eat well. Psychologically, I was affected because of those challenges, temptations I was facing. But it came a time God sent a certain, I can say it is a certain mother, because she is a mother of many, because she is a mother of many children in one of the children's home in our area. She came, she asked me, Mercy, do you want to go to the hospital? I said yes. Of which I said yes, I have no money. Even I'm struggling with the food. And there, I really used to ask myself, which hospital, which is this hospital, which is this doctor am I going to see? And I have traveled in different hospitals, dealing with the different doctors, different orthopedics. I have already gone to chest clinic and I have not changed. What is this? Many x-rays are in the house. Now, what is this? But I said I will go to the hospital. I say thank you to that mother of many children. Even me, today, she is my mother because she stand with me in different ways, and because my mother is not there. And she told me I will have to call the doctor and we have to book the appointment and we shall attend the hospital. You shall communicate with the doctor. We shall see what is going to happen. But she communicated with the hospital, the human garage, and Dr. Hamisi Kote. I say thank you to this man. This is man of God. People are called to minister, but what I know, this man is called to minister and to serve the society. We booked the appointment. I remember very well it was on Thursday, but we booked the appointment. We were given the appointment. It was about some few days. It was on Wednesday, 12:30. I don't remember the date, but it was the year 2022 on August. I don't remember well the date. We came. When the doctors see me, there is those words that she used to me, because even if I was not unable to do anything. I remember the words. She told me, Mercy, do not make this condition be your downfall. Maybe you'll be a very great minister of the gospel to heal others. Take heart. You will walk with your own legs, even if not today or tomorrow. It is a certain period, but God will make it happen. But I looked at it unto him, but I could not believe, because I have moved very, very different hospitals. I have taken a lot of drugs. My body is full of drugs. And now I have no hope to move forward. But he take the scan, the whole body. I was dead more than half. Dead more than half. But the journey started. He said, I have to attend 12 session and God will do something. He gave me, the first session was after every 2 weeks. I came for the first session. It was not easy. Remember, the body is full of pain, severe pain. And I'm full of inflammation. I have no strength. I cannot eat well because I'm psychologically ill. The journey started. The treatment is not easy. But what I know and what I have experienced, if you want to move forward, you have to struggle. I said, if I have not taken the drugs and it has not done anything in my body, let me try. If I will die, nothing else. I'm okay. I was 100 okay. But the first session, the second session, the third session, the fourth session, I was another person. Even the people in the area said, you are now arrived. You are now arrived, because I was dead more than half. And the journey has not been easy, but after those 4 sessions, I moved for a 5th session, 6th session, 7th session, 8th session, and 9th session. At the duration of time, things started to change. I could not sleep for more than 3 years. The year 2022, 3 years back, from 2019, I could never sleep, day and night. And the doctor said, that is another sickness. But I could never sleep due to the pain. I'm psychologically tortured. Even there is a certain hospital around. The year 2021, the doctor said, I have already suffered from the dermatitis, because I could always, day and day, asking myself, how is my life? What did I do? Had God cast me? What did it happen in my life? But God is God of another chance. God is very merciful. The year 2023, on September, I felt in my body, I had a small strength. And I said to my father, go and look for me those sketches so that I can try to start with, because even a long journey started with 1 mile, and my father did it. And there the journey started. It was very painful, very, very painful. But after a month, I could start with the sketches, move from here to there, few meters. And from there, on December, I started walking step by step without sketches. And the year 2024, God gave me strength. I have walked with my legs the whole of the year, the 2024. So today, I'm here to glorify the living God. I'm here to say that God sent me a destiny helper. God sent me an angel, and today God is very, very merciful, and He's God of another chance. I am walking with my feet, and I say thank you.
So, how was, you mentioned God, how was your faith helping you throughout this time you're in pain? How was it helping?
Okay, when I was still at bed, I usually, there before, I was ministering, and I was serving at the one of the altars in Juja there, at the one of the bishop called Bishop Paul Gishuhimemia. I was one of the Bible study teacher there. So, according to what I usually teach people, I was teaching people how to believe in God and trust in Him. And I was very good in, and it was my desires to be in the church serving throughout, according to what I really believe. Now at this journey, at the bed, I was there telling God, remember, I did this. According to the book of Isaiah, the Bible says there is a time Isaiah was sent to Hezekiah to tell him that to inherit that because he will die, according to the sickness Hezekiah was suffering. I usually use the Bible, and it is my habit even today, asking God, according to your word, you are God of justice. I did this. Because you remembered Hezekiah. Why today not remember? So today I know I'm Hezekiah of today. So I don't want to mess anywhere. I want to be a minister of the gospel the whole of my life, till my death. And God will give me many years full of peace. And remember Tabitha, or there is another name, Tabitha, or okay, there was another name. She usually, she was a minister, according to the Bible. She usually help the widow. Now, it came a time when he was dead, and those widows go to the priest and ask him, where will who will be studying this chance, because Tabitha has gone. The Bible says, according, the priest asked God. He raised Tabitha. So God is God of another chance. Which message did I have for all people? Trust God and believe in Him. Nobody else. You can trust on your family. You can trust on your relatives or your friend. But there is a time those friends cannot help you. There is a time those relatives cannot help you. But your God can help you. What I know is you can go through challenges, temptation, tests in this life. And people may talk of you in different ways, according to your problem, according to where you are. But what I know is people can destroy your image, damage your personality, create rumors about you, but they cannot destroy your good name. You will also be admired by those people who know you better, and God will send you angels. So, trusting in God, nothing else, and serving Him. If God has given you opportunity, use it. You never know about tomorrow. Yes.
So, as we finish up, is there anyone in particular you like to thank who helped you throughout the journey?
Yes. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to our God in heaven to give me another chance and help me to serve Him and to heal others, even spiritually. I want to say thank you to Dr. Hamisi, who helped me when I was nowhere to go, nowhere my need could come from. I want to say thank you to that mother of many children, one of the children in Gatodo North Children Home, familia moja, anaitwa Margaret Wamboi Moiro. That family has been on my side. Walinichukua wakanichukua kama mtoto wao, wakanishikilia kwa hiyo jani yote, wakanipea chakula, wakanionyesha upendo. Nawaambia asanti, Mungu awabariki, awazidishie neema zake. Mimi siwezi wapea kitu, sina ya kuwapea. I want to say thank you to my father. My father now is 85 years, very old. My father niye tulikuwa tunakaa na yeye kwa nyumba, na niye alikuwa ananipikia. Wakati nahitaji kitu ipikwe, babangu ndiye alikuwa ananipikia. Babangu ndiye wa kutuma duka. Babangu ndiye wa kuita watu wanigeuze. Hata ikafika mahali akagonjeka, nikaona baba atakufa juu yangu, juu ya yenye anaona nikipitia. Lakini nasema asanti, ako hata sai. Mungu ambariki, ampe miaka mingi yenye baraka, ambariki sana. I want to say thank you to one of my brother. Amekuwa akinishikilia sana, anaitwa Samuel Kirago. Ni wa maana sana sana, ajai niacha. Nimekuwa nikimulilia na amekuwa akinisaidia sana. I want to say thank you kwa watu wenye walinikuwa wanakuja. Ujue siku anajipeleka kwa choo, siamki kwenye niko, ni wao walikuwa wanajua. Mmoja anaitwa Wadisho, akiwa huko pande za Gatondo. I want to say thank you. Kuna mwingine anaitwa Mere, wa hapo tu kwetu neighbor, amenishikilia kwa njia kuu. Kunao watoto wadogo wananiitanga auntie. Hao watoto wamekuwa wakinishikilia sana, wananiamusha, wananifanyia mambo mingi sana. Ni wao na watuma. I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you kwa watoto wangu. Hata wao, hata kama kwa hiyo jani kuna siku mingi yenye hatukuwa na wao, ile siku tulikuanga na wao, wamekuwa wakinishikilia sana na wananipenda, na Mungu awabariki na wapeleke mbali na awatimizie hata ahadi zao. Wanione siku mingi, na hata wao Mungu awapeleke kwenye amewaahadia. Kuna hao wachungaji na watumishi wamenishikilia sana. I want to say thank you to Pastor Dhu na assistant wake wakiwa huko pande ya Gatondo North. Walinishikilia kama hatujuani. After kufika mwisho tukajuana na wao through my father. Wakakuja wakakuwa wakinishikilia sana kwa maombi, hata na mali yao. Wananipea hata chakula. Kuna mtumishi mwingine anaitwa Bishop Kinyanjui. Huyo ni mtumishi wa baba yangu. Huyo hata wareo anasemanga ulikuwa umekufa. Ulikuwa umekufa nusu. Rafiki yangu sana, abarikiwe, Mungu amtendee mema. Kuna huyu Reverend Kagonda all the way from Gatondo. Alikuwa anakuja kuniona, hata wakati mwingine akakuja na bibi yake, ameniona mara mingi sana. Kuna Apostle, kuna mwingine anaitwa Apostle Waihenya, amenishikilia kwa njia ya ukuu sana all the way from Engineer Nakuru. Kuna Bishop Yeshohe Memia. Siwezi sahau na huyo mtumishi. I was serving under him many years, na ile maneno alikuwa anatutia moyo kwa kanisa, nayo ndio imenifikisha hapa. Alikuwa anatuongelesha kama kanisa. Hata anatuambia sio wote Mungu anaweza kukusanya hapa ndio wasikie ujumbe na ikue ati imenini kwa moyo zao. Lakini Mungu anaweza kuungana kongamano kubwa, na ikuwe tu ni mtu mmoja anataka kuongeresha ndio aende abadilishe wengine. Ile maneno amekuwa my role model, even my mentors for many years. I say thank you to that bishop. I say thank you to my brothers and sisters kwa ile part wali pray according to God's will. Ile wale marafiki wamejitokeza nyumaye kunishikiria hata kama hawanijui, wananipea chakula, sinanga kazi. Me, I survive under the grace of God. Marafiki, unasikia marafiki akikuuliza ununue kaunga nini. Hao marafiki siwezi wataja wote, lakini nimesema Mungu awabariki, awazidishie neema zake, na siwezi sahau na Pastor Karaja African Mission huko Gatudo North, pahali inaitwa Mwea. Abarikiwe sana, alinishikilia sana nikiwa mgonjwa. By the way, nilianza kwenda kanisa kama sijaitembea. Hii moto ya kuhudumu inakuanga ni kwangu sana. Nilianza kwenda the year 2023 kama sijatembea, nikaanza kukujiwa na tuktuk. I really say thank you kwa familia ya anaitwa Muzariwa. Akakuwa ananikujia na tuktuk, wananichukua, wananipeleka kwa kanisa. Jioni wananikujia masaa kama kitu saa 10 hapo saa 9, wananirudisha nyumbani. Imagine the whole of the journey baka nikamaliza hiyo, alinipeleka karibu mwaka mzima kama sijaitembea na miguu zangu. Hata familia yake ikanishikilia sana na hata kunilisha. Na hao walikuwa classmates zangu, hawakuniachilia. Venye marafiki wanatorokanga, hao hawakuniacha. Na hata wenye walikuwa wametoka Murera huko pande ya Juja, wenye wamekuwa wakikuja kuniona, nimesema asanti, Mungu awabariki, awazidishie neema zake na awape chochote mtakacho according to his will. Thank you.
Wow. There you have it, guys. What if you don't believe in miracles, there is one miracle that can be. So we would like to wish you the best as you go home to that window.
Yes.
Greet them, all of those people.
Yes.
Tell them you couldn't have done it without them.
Yes.
So we recognize also the part spiritual healing through the healing of our patients. Yeah, so greet them for us, thank them for us, and you just wish you a life full of pain-free lifestyle. As they say, pain is not a lifestyle. So we wish you all the best and keep on coming for maintenance sessions.
Yes.
And you make this place brighter when you come.
Yes.
We are always glad to see you. Yeah.
Thank you.
So wish all the best. Until next time. Thank you.
Dr. Hamisi,
Yes.
I want to tell him, wherever he is, he might not know. He's a prophet, he's a counselor, and he's also a doctor. Those three. Yes.
Dr. Hamisi.
Yes.
Yes. So until next time, guys, until the next testimony, you've had it, guys. Yeah, this is what we do. We change life. So if you have any issue, if you have arthritis, or you have any functional issue, or anything that you think you can be able to solve, please book an appointment with us by calling 0713030397. And we look forward to seeing you and wishing you a life free of pain. Until next time, bye.